Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send voice memos from iPhone. So if any of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the voice memos app. Once opened, locate any of the voice memos you want to send, or better still, record a new voice memo. Now once you recorded your new voice memo, go ahead and stop it. Then you should see the new voice memo here. Then go ahead and click on all recordings. Click on edit at the top right. Then select the voice memo you want to share or you want to send on your phone. Click on the share button at the bottom left. Now you can share or send the voice memo to all supported applications here. You can send this to Snapchat, Messages, AirDrop, Mail, WhatsApp, Gmail, Telegram, and any application of your choice. So let's say you want to send the voice memo to WhatsApp. Once you select the WhatsApp, select the user you want to send it to, and then click on next. Then click on send. Then you're good. If you go to the WhatsApp account and then open it, click on chat, then locate the chat where you send the voice memo, then you should have it here. You see that? So that is exactly how to send voice memos from iPhone to Snapchat, email, Instagram, WhatsApp, MacBook, etc. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.